Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 616, and today's topic of lecture is the medicinal importance of avocado fruit. Avocado fruit is also known as stone fruit. Sometimes it is also called creamery fruit because it looks like cream inside, and also it is called butter fruit, and it is cultivated in tropical and warm countries. It is very rich in all the nutrients, especially it contains 20 vitamins and several minerals. It is actually medicinal fruit, and it has lot of pharmacological importance, and the most important medicinal value is that is it is anti-cancerous. Second, it is good for arthritis. I mean, if those who are having some problem of bone, and also it is good for those people who are having tendency of inflammation. So these are all very important medicinal properties, and it is good for various type of cancer like stomach cancer, colon cancer, bladder cancer, and it is why very good for cancerous cells because it is packed with a lot of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and at the same time this is one of the fruit which is very rich in monounsaturated oil, that is called omega-3 oil. Actually, omega-3 oil is mostly found in seeds, not in fruits. It is not common, but avocado is rich in monounsaturated fatty acid, and that is very important ingredient to take care of our cardiovascular system. This omega-3 will not allow the oxidation of lipid into low density lipoprotein, that is called LDL, and also it will maintain our arteries and veins. It will not allow to become hard. Arteries and veins will not be fragile. It will provide strength, and this one avocado is rich in calcium and potassium. But here most of the people in the shadow of calcium, they don't give importance to potassium. Potassium plays very important role here, and if potassium percentage is decreased, then the absorption of calcium in our body will be very minimum. So if the potassium percentage is high, it will allow very quick absorption of calcium, so that we will not be having the problem of bone density or osteoarthritis. So this is very important, and it is very rich in potassium. It is also very good fruit for antidepressant. And what is happening in our brain, the vitamin B group, that is called folic acid, and that folic acid is prohibited. When the excess production of some typical protein, and that will reduce the production of serotonin and dopamine. So in that case, if avocado is taken, it will reduce the chances of depression, even dementia and Alzheimer's. So these are all very important medicinal properties, and also because it is rich in folate, it also plays very important role for pregnant women to maintain the healthy growth of fetus. So here avocado is dense fruit in terms of vitamin and mineral. It is very much medicinal, and here given the botanical name is Persea americana, and it belongs to family Lauriaceae. Number one, avocados are a stone fruit with a creamy texture. it grows in warm climate. Number 2, it is very good for digestion. It also decreases the risk of depression. I have already given the explanation that how the folate helps to decrease the chance of depression and protect against cancer. Folate may help to prevent the formation of homocysteine. Actually, that homocysteine protein that is responsible of decreasing the production of serotonin and dopamine. That's why we get depression. So avocado can help in that, and it can reduce the formation of homocysteine in brain. Number 2, avocado is the only fruit which provides mono unsaturated fatty acid, that is called omega-3. It is rich in omega-3. That's why it is good for our healthy heart, and it is 20 vitamins it is having, and lot of nutrients. That's why it is dense fruit in terms of vitamin and mineral. The 40 gram of avocado contains 64 calorie energy, 6 gram fat, 3.4 gram carbohydrate, 0.8 gram sugar, 3.0 gram fiber. It is great source of vitamins C, E, K and B1 to B9 group. B9 is called folic acid, that is folate. It is rich in lutein and beta carotene and omega-3 fatty acids, and that's why it is very good for our healthy heart, because these beta carotene, lutein and omega-3, they are very good anti-inflammatory and antioxidants, and that's why they will maintain our arteries and veins their strength. It is also rich in beta-sitosterol, and by taking regular avocado, it can maintain the cholesterol level, because beta-sitosterol is very good to maintain the cholesterol. It is good for vision because of the presence of lutein and zeaxanthin. These two anti-inflammatory antioxidant polyphenolics are very good for our eye muscles. That's why your vision will be okay once we are taking regularly, and it can protect our eye muscles. It helps in osteoporosis. I have already told you that vitamin K is responsible of making the calcium ion to absorb, and it is good for healthy baby because of the presence of folate, that is called folic acid.
Yeah.
So with this I will stop. And avocado is a very good fruit, and I have seen it is available in Nigeria, even in Maiduguri also. So please add in your eating habit. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.